What's your point of view? Have you ever had the opportunity to change it? Well, here's your chance. This property unquestionably is for you if you want to change your point of view. This is a true north position overlooking Rainbow Bay, Coolangatta, right up to Burleigh Headland, past Mermaid Beach, and incorporates the entire Surfers Paradise skyline. Have fun while maintaining the respect of your family, friends, peers and partners with one introduction to this, your new point of view. Raked ceilings and marble floors in the upstairs living areas, and the kitchens feature granite bench tops, dumbwaiter and DeLonghi appliances. Enjoy the internal atrium as a sanctuary or convert it into a vegetable and herb garden to satisfy your green thumb. There's plenty of architectural opportunity as well as a lifestyle change. Holding fast on a timeless vantage point, this home has recently been modernised to complement the easy beach living at Coolangatta. Now you're going to hear me repeat myself a couple of times here. This is the surf break from your front door. This is the surf break from your front door. This is the surf break from your front door. Whether it's a formal entry or just the ability to look over the crystal clear pool from your kitchen window so you can see your kids playing while you're getting lunch ready. There's one thing you can be sure of, no one's going to be able to argue with your point of view.